Welcome back to the Monday Tech Minute. As our students start crawling through the internet, it's good to teach them how to safely search and how to correctly search for things using a search engine. So here's a fun tool to learn how to use the Google search engine. So head over to googleaday.com and click Get Started. Google is going to give you a question and it's going to make the search engine available to you in the top of the screen. So we're looking for the official bike of the Tour de France and what it does automatically and adjust for wind resistance based on what two features of the rider. Your students can get a hint and they can even get the first letters of the word. So the first thing we're going to do is start our search. I'm going to throw in some keywords up there and see where that'll take us. Your students can head over and start browsing through the site. So we're going to need to look at some of the specs on this bike. Or once again, your students can hit Control F if they're in Chrome and bring up the word search, and we're going to look for wind resistance. And we can see that this has intelligent wind resistance and that it automatically calculates your height and weight to apply the natural resistance. So let's try height and weight. And Google tells us that right, and then we'll give us another question. Once we get to the end, it'll give us a total amount of points that we've accumulated. Now, this is just a neat concept in general. You could do this again with Kahoot. Kahoot gives you more points the faster you answer, so the same thing that a Google a Day is doing. So maybe you want to come up with some neat two-part questions that your students could use kind of as they come into class.